In one town, rain doesn't just bring water, it brings fish, falling from the sky. Every year in Yoro, Honduras, locals witness a strange event called Lluvia de Peces, which means rain of fish. After heavy storms, hundreds of small silver fish are found flopping in the streets and fields. Some believe it's a miracle. Others say the fish are sucked from rivers by strong winds and dropped by the storm. But here's the twist. Many fish found are blind and come from underground streams, not the ocean or sky. Rain that feeds a village, a mystery that science still can't fully explain, uncovering nature's wildest secret.